Cow Beach.
Yes, out of Oclotney.
Where is it?
In Oclotney, Georgia. It's about 15 minutes outside of Thomasville, Georgia, and about 40 minutes from Tallahassee. So we're right on the Georgia-Florida border.
And what are you doing here in my school?
Oh, we're coming to be experts in florals.
Because you do what at Cow Beach?
We are an all-inclusive venue, so we do all the planning, coordinating for every single person who has an event or wedding there.
And what other kind of events do you do?
We do corporate events, so live and silent auctions.
Do you have a big hall or barn or?
We do. We have a 300-person sailcloth tent that we host a lot of our events in, as well as a 300-person chapel, stables, and an office space for the bridal
I'm moving
suite.
to Cow Beach every
You
time.
have to
Yeah,
come see
come on
it. She
down.
is fabulous.
Everybody come see.
How hard was this bouquet to make?
It was pretty easy. I think total was 10 minutes.
And what are your goals here?
I think our
To
goals...
I do weddings now and everything.
Yes. So we just hit our 1-year mark of being open in January.
Oh, okay. And how have your florals been going so far?
They're going well. We wanted to figure out how to maximize.
Do you do this for
Our
your
floral
floral, this style?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, we do. A lot
Popular,
of-
isn't it?
Yes.
This is
Yes,
beautiful.
not as beautiful as these versions.
Do you feel good about what you're learning?
Yes,
yeah, I love
absolutely.
it.
How was yesterday's class? This is only their second day and they're already rock
Yes.
stars.
It was fabulous. I think my favorite was the landscape
The
design
bunny.
that we did, and I think it's going to match some of that boho style that the brides really are going for now.
Yeah.
But I like learning the classic stuff because we are in the South, so people like those traditional ginger jar wedding.
That boho rambling English garden vibe running down their tables. Well, thank you, Cow Beach. How do they find you?
We are Cow Beach on Instagram, and our website is cowbeach.farm. Feel free to submit a submission form or schedule a tour on the
Sounds
website.
fabulous place. I'm going to go to their website and check them out.
Beautiful.
Keep blooming. Bye.
Thank you so much.